Hi everyone, this is Hannah here, and I wanted to basically just go over the steps of how I made this. I had started to record this last night when I was working on it, and then my batteries died, and I thought, well, and you know, at first I didn't realize that I kept on working on this project, and then I thought, well, there's stuff that's missed. So basically for this month, I apologize for that. But what I'm going to do is talk the steps that I went through. So I took, this is the 8x10 canvas that came in the box. All of the materials that I used are in the box. Well, I don't know about this. I don't know about this cord. I think that was in the November box. But so the first thing that I did on the canvas, I took the white texture sand, which I included in y'all's box, a little sample of it. Well, no, I'm sorry, let me go back. The white gesso that I included a sample of, I just added a layer of it on the canvas just to kind of prep the canvas. Let that dry, and then I used the yellow stencil, which was this here. And I used this and then the little flower. And I just kind of spaced it out to where the bigger pieces were closer to the frame, and then the smaller pieces just kind of fade out. So I did that with the white texture sand. Let that dry. That took a little bit longer to dry because it's thicker. With the places they were thicker. So I let that dry. While that was drying, I took the resin frame and applied gesso to it. Then I applied the rich turquoise Finnabair paint that was in the box. And I just painted the frame part, not the top. I just did the frame part. And then I thought, that blue stands out too much. So I dry brushed it with the white gesso just to kind of tone it down a little bit. And you can still see it, kind of peeking through. And after I did that, I took the collage paper, and it had the birds on. I thought were real pretty. This bird, I put it in the front, and I Mod Podged it. Which Mod Podge comes with the junk journal box. You could use the 3D gloss gel or any kind of glue, really. I like to use Mod Podge, so I Mod Podged it on there, and kind of made it to fit in the frame. And then after I got it down first, then I just kind of tore some of it to show this frame, because I didn't want to cover up the entire frame. I wanted some of it to peek through, so you can see where it peeks through here and here and here, a little bit here, and it did have some here, but then I kind of covered it up with the leaf, and then just kind of have it bunched together around by the frame. And then I had taken the bird and Mod Podged that up there too, just just to add something else to, to the whole layout, the scene that I was working on. So I did that, and after I Mod Podged that on, then I took the California Poppy Gold Magical Shakers and the Cowabunga Copper Magical Shakers. I used the Poppy Gold one first, just kind of sprinkled it on some different places, and then took some water and just sprayed. I have a little mini mister, and I sprayed, and then after I sprayed, I you know, sit it up like this, or go out like this, or go out like this, you know, just to kind of make it where it would run down, you know. So I did that with the Poppy Gold, and then I did it with the Cowabunga. And then I wanted to add some more of the blue, you know, bring that blue out from the picture frame. So then I just kind of painted some of the Finnabair paint and then spritzed a little water to make it have like a watercolor effect. And I thought it turned out really good, actually. So then after I did that, then I layered the pine cones and the flowers and the leaves, and then took, well, these flowers and leaf I did after the fact because I thought it needs something else. But I did these first, and then I took some of the twine and just kind of went around a few times, glued that down with some 3D gloss gel, then came back, let's see, actually these flowers were the very last thing I did. After I glued the twine down, then I took the glitter glass. In the kits or the boxes, some I did, it was like a light cream color, some had blue. I used blue, and I just kind of, you know, you can see where it's on the leaf there, just kind of spread throughout. See, you can see it's just kind of spread throughout. Now I applied that with the 3D gloss gel. And then after I did that, then I layered, you know, I put these little flowers on. And then I said, you know, it kind of needs some more to the background. So that's when I took a stamp and put it in black ink and just lightly applied it in different places along the layout, just to add, you know, a little bit more interest to the overall design and layout. I thought it turned out pretty good. I'll be honest with you, I was lacking on my creative mojo, so this was about, I think, as good as I could get it for now. I'm sure there are more things that I could have done, but you know, some days you're just really tired, and it's like my brain was tired. And so this is what I created with my tired brain. And overall, considering, I think it turned out pretty good. My daughter says she wants it, so I'm going to hang it up in her room. And but if you have any questions, please let me know. Again, I'm sorry. I had started recording this, and then the batteries died, and I was like, oh no. But hopefully next month, you know, we'll be back on track with that. And then also I will be uploading the junk journal. It's going to be a 3-part series, where the first tutorial is going to be the cover. So we'll be getting into that here soon. But if you have any questions on this, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I hope that everyone is doing well. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye.